Hi Clearly Head Start families, it's me, Teacher Liz, and today I'm going to show you guys what was included in this week's activity bag and give you guys a few pointers and tips on how to use these activities with your toddler. This week we're going to begin our tree study in Early Head Start, and so we included a small diagram that you and your toddler can use to identify the four main parts of a tree. We also included a few QR codes that will take you to our classroom YouTube channel, Facebook group, and website. We post reading and sing-along videos daily there, so feel free to check them out. Activity in everyone's packet this week is a Chicka Chicka Boom Boom themed letter and number hunt. Each child received the letters of their name and the numbers 1 through 5 for them to find on the coconut tree. This activity is a great way to help your child begin recognizing letters and numbers and help build those fine motor skills. It's okay if your child doesn't match up the letters and numbers correctly, as long as they're working on peeling the stickers and you're talking about the letters and numbers, they're still getting that exposure. The next activity in your packet is a tree parts paintbrush activity that includes 5 homemade paintbrushes made out of pine needles, pine cones, leaves, and sticks. It also includes paint and paper. This activity is a great art and sensory activity for you and your toddler to do together and to let them freely express their creativity. This activity can also be extended by inviting your toddler to go on a nature walk with you and find their own tree parts to make their own paintbrushes using the 3 clothespins provided. Next activity is a shape sorting activity. You and your toddler can work together to sort the different tree shapes and glue it to the shape chart. We also included a handout that gives you a few different ways to use this activity with your toddler to meet their developmental needs. The next activity is a nature scavenger hunt activity that includes both Yurok and English tree terms in it. This activity also includes a handout that describes the different ways you can use this activity to meet your toddler's developmental needs. And the last activity in everyone's packet this week is a big and small tree parts sorting activity. For this activity, you can use the items you found on your nature hunt, or you can go on another nature hunt and find new items to sort with your child. We also included a big and small chart for you and your child to use to sort the items you find, as well as a handout that explains a few different ways to use this activity to best meet your child's development and their needs. This activity is a great way to promote your child's classification skills, their sorting skills, as well as their sense of quantity. Well, that is everything that was included in this week's activity bag. We hope you guys enjoy doing these activities with your littles and learning through play. As always, stay healthy and stay safe. Chew!